Welcome back everyone. In the previous video, we discussed different age relationships including the sum, difference and ratio of ages. We also solved some examples based on these relationships. In today's video, we will continue our discussion on problems on ages. We will learn about some more important age relationships and solve examples based on them. So let us begin with the next concept, multiples of ages. Let us begin with the concept, multiples of ages. Sometimes an age problem tells us that one person's age is twice, three times, four times, or some other multiple of another person's age. First, let us understand what a multiple means. If we say that Ravi's age is twice Sita's age, it means Ravi's age is 2 times Sita's age. For example, if Sita is 10 years old, then Ravi's age would be 2 into 10, which is equals to 20 years. Now, in age problems, the actual ages may not be given. In that case, we use a variable. For example, suppose Sita's age is x years. If Ravi is twice Sita's age, then Ravi's age can be written as Ravi's age, which is equals to 2 times x years. If Ravi is 3 times Sita's age, then Ravi's age will be 3 times x years. Therefore, whenever you see words such as twice, 3 times, 4 times and so on, you should think of multiplication. Now, let us consider an example based on multiples of ages. The present age of a father is 3 times the age of his son. After 12 years, the father will be twice the son's age. We have to find their present ages. Let us solve this example step by step. First, the problem says that the father's present age is 3 times the son's present age. So, let the son's present age be x years. Therefore, the father's present age is 3 times x years. Now, the problem says after 12 years. So, we need to add 12 years to both their present ages. So, the son's age after 12 years is x plus 12. The father's age after 12 years will be 3x plus 12. We are then told that after 12 years, the father's age will be twice the son's age. Therefore, we can form the equation 3x plus 12, which is equals to 2 times the quantity x plus 12. Now, let us simplify the equation. We get 3x plus 12, which is equals to 2x plus 24. Subtracting 2x from both sides, we get x plus 12, which is equals to 24. Thus, we get x is equals to 12. Since we assumed the son's present age to be x, so the son's present age is 12 years. The father's present age is 3 times the son's age. So, the father's present age is 3 into 12, which is equals to 36 years. Therefore, the son is 12 years old and the father is 36 years old. Let us verify the answer. After 12 years, the son will be 24 years old and the father will be 48 years old. Now, 48, which is equals to 2 into 24. So, the father will indeed be twice the son's age after 12 years. Now, let us consider an example involving a relationship between present and future ages. A mother is 24 years older than her daughter. 5 years from now, the mother's age will be 3 times the daughter's age. We have to find their present ages. Let us solve this example step by step. First, Let the daughter's present age be X years. The mother is 24 years older than her daughter. Therefore, the mother's present age is X plus 24 years. Now, the problem says 5 years from now. So, we add 5 years to both their present ages. So, the daughter's age after 5 years will be X plus 5 and mother's age after 5 years will be X plus 24 plus 5, which is equals to X plus 29. According to the problem, after 5 years, the mother's age will be 3 times the daughter's age. Therefore, we can form the equation X plus 29, which is equals to 3 times the quantity X plus 5. Now let us simplify. We get X plus 29, which is equals to 3x plus 15. Subtract x from both sides, we get 29, which is equals to 2x plus 15. Now, subtract 15 from both sides, we get 14, which is equals to 2x. Thus, we get x is equals to 7. Since x represents the daughter's present age, so the daughter age is 7 years old. The mother's present age is 7 plus 24, which is equals to 31. Therefore, the daughter's present age is 7 and the mother's present age is 31. Now, let us verify the answer. After 5 years, the daughter will be 12 years old and the mother will be 36 years old. Now, 36, which is equals to 3 into 12. So, the mother's age will indeed be 3 times the daughter's age after 5 years. Now, let us move on to another important relationship used in age problems, which is the average age. The average age of a group of people is found by adding all their ages and dividing the total by the number of people. For example, suppose the ages of 3 people are 20, 25 and 30 years. First find the total of their ages. We get 20 plus 25 plus 30, which is equals to 75 years. Since there are 3 people, we divide the total by 3. So, average age, which is equals to 75 divided by 3, which is equals to 25 years. Therefore, the average age of the 3 people is 25 years. So, whenever the average age is given in a problem, we can use the relationship average age, which is equals to total age divided by number of people. We can also write this in another useful form. Total age, which is equals to average age into number of people. Now, let us consider an example based on average age. In this example, the average age of 5 students is 18 years. Now, we have to find the total age of the 5 students. We know that the average age is obtained by dividing the total age by number of persons. So we can write average age, which is equals to total age divided by number of persons. Here the average age is 18 years and the number of students is 5. So total age will be average age into number of persons. So we get total age, which is equals to 18 into 5, which is equals to 90 years. Therefore, the total age of the 5 students is 90 years. Now, let us consider another example based on average age. The average age of a family of 6 members is 28 years. The youngest member is 8 years old. If this member leaves the family, we have to find the average age of the remaining members. Let us solve this example step by step. First, we need to find the total age of all 6 family members. We know that total age will be equals to average age into number of members. Here the average age is 28 years and the number of members is 6. Therefore, total age will be equals to 28 into 6, which is equals to 168 years. So, the total age of all 6 members is 168 years. Now, the youngest member, whose age is 8 years, leaves the family. So, remaining total age will be equals to 168 minus 8, which is equals to 160 years. Here, we subtract 8 from the total age. Now, after one member leaves, the remaining members is 5 members. Now, we need to find the average age of these 5 remaining members. We know average age will be equals to total age divided by number of members. Therefore, average age of remaining members will be equals to 160 divided by 5, which is equals to 32 years. Hence, the average age of the remaining 5 members is 32 years. We will continue with remaining age-related problems in the next video lecture. Thank you and see you all in the next section.